Every Monday, we go over one free trade from our systems that looks kind of interesting to me. I'm going to talk about one that has triggered and then one that potentially could trigger, because the one that triggered is a little bit outside of the zone. So we're going to give you one that could trigger just so that you have one queued up and ready to go. And as always, if you want more of this, make sure you're going over to StatsEdgeTrading.com. And when you get there, there's a couple cool things for you. You can just go and sign up for the free courses, the free newsletters. Then I email you when and if I have a video or a blog post or something like that that's interesting. And then you can research all of our algorithms here. This one that we're talking about is usually from the swing trading systems. And then this particular one actually comes from this pullback system that I'm going to talk about. So this pullback system kind of right in this area right here, it does pretty well over time and a good drawdown. And you can go through and do all this, research all this nerd stuff you really want, or you just go to right here and then give us a try from there. So without further ado, what are we talking about? We are talking about GLNG, which I have no idea what it is or what they do. The reason I'm going to give you guys another one is because you can see this one triggered real early in the morning and then has bounced pretty significantly from there. I really liked the look of this one, so I was really quick to pull a trigger on it because you can see this prior resistance zone. So it broke out of that and we're looking for a pullback. So we're looking for something that was strong and now it's pulling back into that zone, and then we want to buy it there and then hope for some continuation, a continuation moved higher. After that, we've kind of already gotten that, but we hold these for a week. So we want to go 1 week out and then hopefully it continues from there, because it certainly could not, right? It's early in the week, so it could reverse. One that I'm going to give you that, to kind of watch and pay attention for that's getting close is this eBay. And this is from a completely different strategy. You can see that a lot of what we do here and a lot of my premise on the markets that is different from most, not all, is that I don't think there's one system or one pattern or one style that you can just trade over and over again. I think it's all about multiple styles and multiple systems that you trade over time. And so this momentum system complements this pullback system really well, because if the market's really strong, you don't get a lot of pullbacks. So you're kind of trading momentum in that scenario. And this is a momentum system. We're looking basically for a move up to 101-ish on eBay. And you can see this was earnings. So whatever they said on earnings, the market really liked, because it gapped up, it ran up that day, and it's just been moving higher ever since. And then it's been consolidating, getting tight. So this is where, value investors or big institutions will start to get involved. They're not chasing the thing as it moves up. They're waiting for that consolidation to get really tight and to move sideways for a period of time. And then if we break that and we start to rip higher again through 101, we're going to stop it here. A worst case scenario, I'd say, would be 97.50. The stop is like 99 in the system. So we want breakouts to happen really quickly and to continue really quickly here. And then we hold it for a week and we just hope that we get a little bit of momentum thrust this week. So there's one that's triggered, but since it's already gone, there's another one that hasn't. And sometimes when I remember, I give more. So if something triggers while I'm putting all this together for you guys, I send it out via email. Special just to email subscribers, an additional one. So make sure you're going and signing up for that free email list. And I will talk to you guys soon.